Welcome to the West Parry Sound District Museum's YouTube channel. Each month, we will talk about a unique artifact from our collection and the history connected to it. Like what you see? Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. To see more amazing videos, please donate to the West Parry Sound District Museum and check out our website at www.museumontowerhill.com.
This month we're focusing on an iconic metal horse that once sat upon Johnston's blacksmith shop in Parry Sound. On Mary Street between Gibson Street and James Street, the shop was built in 1899 by Dave Johnston. In Parry Sound Collection Volume 2 DVD, Dave Thomas tells of the story of the opening day. Quote, "He opened it January 17, 1900 at 5 a.m. He worked all night to get it ready to open on January 17th, and there were lanterns lit inside. There was one policeman in Parry Sound at the time, and he was making his rounds. He saw the light on inside and thought someone had broken into the blacksmith shop. So he went into the door, and there was Mr. Johnston working away, getting ready for the grand opening on January 17th. Dave's son, Ed Johnston, later took over the business. Today, the Canada Post Office on the corner of James and Mary Street sits on a part of the original blacksmith shop. The iconic metal horse that once sat on the roof now lives on in the museum's collection. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come back each month for a new look into our collection.